have tried this thing like 50 times. What's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Lucy. I do makeup tutorials, reviews and unboxing and a little bit of vlogging on the channel as well. If you have not followed me on Instagram, do follow me at L1_Blaze because I do short mini version tutorials on there. So the first product I'm going to use is this Biossance Vitamin C Rose Oil. If you have dry skin, then this is definitely something that you should go for because it's very hydrating and moisturizing to your face. Next thing, I'm going to go in with the Airbrush Away primer. Now this is a blurring primer from No 7. This is actually a drugstore primer and it's very affordable. This is one of my go-to primers because it blurs my pores. Because girl, if you enter and you come closer, then you will see the pores, which is not cute. So this one is actually a pretty good thing. Does a pretty good job in blurring your pores, and you know, the application of your foundation is actually flawless after this, trust me. This is one of the best primers out there, and also the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser one. Those are my two favorite drugstore primers, hands down. Eyebrows done, snatch to the gods. So I'm going to actually do my eyes first before I actually do my foundation, because the palette I'm actually going to be using today has a lot of fallout, and I know this because I've already tried it. Need to hydrate the lips before we continue. So the palette I'm going to be using today for my eyes is a Glam palette. So this palette is from Canvas Cosmetics and it comes in a cute black palette like this. So I love the colors, as you can see. Oh my god, those colors are amazing. So it has a lot of fallout, but that's because it has a lot of pigment. Ooh, I don't know if I should zoom you in, guys. Before that, I'm just going to use my Shiseido concealer. Now I know this is not on the drugstore affordable side, but it's actually a really good concealer, and I'm actually out of it, which is so bad. I feel so bad. That means I have to get another one. So I'm just going to prime my eyes, and after that then we're going to go in with the eyeshadow. Go in. Oh, this is a dangerous position because I mean you're too up and close and personal with me. So yeah, I'm going to go in with 6 AM. This is a brown view. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's a lot of eyeshadow fallout. So we're going to just go through the eye, over the crease. Next in, I'm going to go with Sagittarius because you know your girl is a Sagittarius. Not bad, not bad. For the look that I'm going for, not bad. I don't want it to be all, you know, fully glamoured, because I'm trying as much as possible to be a simple girl today. Simple girl. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Slay. Slay is like a purple, dark purple kind of a shade, and I'm just going to go over the creases as well. Just dab it around there. And I'm going to go see, oh, this is a dark color, it's a black color, so yeah, I'm not going to go in with it too much, just a little bit of a dab. Just going to blend that in. Okay, next in, I'm going to go in with the shade Sultry, and I'm going to go over the lid. This just turned out to be like a smoky eye kind of vibe. So next thing, I'm going to go on my waterline, and I'm just going to use Sagittarius and Slate together. Just going to apply that on my waterline, just like that. I'm going to use this Endless Silky pen by Pixie and just go over under my waterline. For mascara, I'll just go in with my e.l.f. Smudge Proof Mascara. This is a very affordable mascara and I love the applicator. The eye look is finished. Fearless. Now that that's done, I'm going to be using these two foundations. This is the Shiseido Synchro Skin Foundation, and this is the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear makeup stick. So it's meant to be like a contour stick, but I use it as a foundation because it's a bit too light for me. And this is in the shade 510 Suede, and this is in 430 Cedar. So I mixed these two to get my perfect shade, because this is light, this is too dark. It's weird. I'm going to go in with the Shiseido one first. So since we already primed, I don't need to prime again. So I use a brush to do this because with the Shiseido Synchro Skin, because it's a liquid foundation, and the stick, we're just going to go with it over the face. I'm gonna go in with the stick and I'll just do about 3 stripes on each side, and then we're going to blend in with the sponge. Next thing, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Face Studio Loose Powder. It's a setting powder. You can bake with it, set it, loose it. Ida Emana, just under my eye, because this is the area that I just want to brighten up. Then I'm just going to contour #bronze with my praline. I don't know if it's praline, I don't know, praline, whatever. This is God, I can never get this open. And I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild brush, contour brush for this. So I'm just going to go in with the brown shade here, and we're just going to do a little bit of contouring on these cheeks. We need to give them color. Okay, honestly, I don't know where the accents come from. So, hi, if you're new to the channel, this is me. Alright, so I'm just going to remove the excess powder from the face. Next thing, for blush, I'm going to be using the Maybelline. Did I say Maybelline? What? I am going to be using the Makeup Revolution blusher Reloaded in Coral. So I'm going to go with this on my cheeks, not too much. Honestly, I love this blush because it's an amazing consistency, and the fact it's a powder blush. I mean, I saw Fenty released cream products, like cream blushes, and I like my e.l.f. one. Where is it? I like my e.l.f. one, so this is my e.l.f. blush. Yeah, it's a bit dirty because sort of like haven't used it in a while, but this was one of my best cream blushes. Kikuyu, the Kikuyu in me, I need to get rid of. Oh my god, whoever sold me that milk in the morning. This cream blush is one of my best cream blushes. So I saw Fenty released new cream blushes. I am stoked about it because I can't wait to try them. This is the only cream blush I have ever owned. The rest are powder form, yeah, basically. And honestly, I like powder blushes because it tends not to move your makeup, but with the cream, during the day, on first application it can be really nice, but then during the day you might find your makeup is moving. But I can't wait to see what the Fenty formula contains, you know, like on to highlighter. I have the Makeup Revolution cheek kit. This is in Make It Count, so I'm going to be using this shade and probably this shade. Okay, do you see how highlighting that is? And this is just a small amount, so you need to go with this really gently, and just a little bit goes a long way. This is one of my best highlighters, honestly. As much as I loved the Inglot Sparkling Dust, this one is a bit kind of, you know, taking the wind. Need to tone that down because I think sis got carried away. I'm gonna finish up with my Pixie Glow Mist. This is the best glow mist, setting spray, whatever you wanna call it. Trust me. I feel drenched, but I still want more. For lips, I'm just going to use a brown liner and align over lips. And I'm just going to put on gloss because we already have a lot going on up here, so we don't want anything going down here. I'm going to use the Stila one. This is the Stila Rose Quartz Liquid Lip Gloss. Oh, so good. So that's it for me, guys. That is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. Do follow me on my socials. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. And also the bell button, smash it, and then subscribe so that you get notified. See you on the next one.